In this quick video, I'll show you how to sign out Google account Android. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So to sign out Google account from our Android phone, we just need to open Gmail in our mobile. Then click on the three lines which are present on the left corner of our mobile. We can click on it. Then scroll down to the settings. We can scroll down and then click on settings. Then click on these three dots which are present on right side of your mobile corner. Then click on manage account. Click on Google. Now it will show you multiple Gmail accounts which are present in your mobile phone. Now you want to select the account which you want to sign out from your mobile device. I want to sign out this account. For that I will click on it. Then click on delete. Now if I click on delete, it will automatically sign out this Google account from my mobile, and it will also delete all of the information about this account which is present in my mobile phone. So this is the way you can remove your Google account, or you can sign out your Google account from your Android device. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching.